Vaccination continues to remain an issue. People rushing to centres. There are no slots available even on the CoWIN portal, making it extremely difficult to even register. The problem that majority faced is in the age group of 18 to 44.
Fastest fingers first या जो जीता वही सिकंदर कौन बनेगा कोविन पति These are the phrases being used to describe successful booking of a slot in CoWIN. Humor aside, this is not funny. The task of getting a slot if you are in the 18 to 45 age group is a Herculean one. I put out a tweet asking the Twitter world to put out their experiences on using the CoWIN software. This is what I found. One Vishal Sali said he's trying to get a slot for weeks now. Meena Sharma said the state of affairs is sad and shared her screenshot. Rahul Mendhekar, another beneficiary, also shared his experience. Vipin Chandra said there are no slots. Shibam Das said the country should now focus on infrastructure. Booked, full, everywhere you click. My own experience has been harrowing. I tried booking several times but could not. Look at this. Each time you try to get a slot, you fail. Look at what the viewers of India Today sent us.
Each time I go on to the website, and even if I do see a few free slots, they get filled up in seconds. And for me, as a person living with diabetes, it's a really stressful time because people living with diabetes can have worse outcomes of COVID if they contract the infection.
I try to find a center which has an available slot. Unfortunately, out of the 30 or 40 so centers I found, all of them are booked, and the weird thing is some of the centers are booked for a week, and some of them don't even allow us to book a slot for even the next day.
This entire process takes a long time, and there are a lot of glitches in the system, and I just pray and hope everybody gets his vaccination. But right now it's just me and my dog who are just looking at this very interesting CoWIN website. And yes, we are based out of Bangalore, and I'm 43 years of age, and my dog is 14. No, she's not getting a vaccination, but I'm getting a vaccination.
Walk-in vaccinations for this age category, that is between the age of 18 to 45, is not allowed. There is dearth of doses, and that is no secret. The government says that in the age group of 18 to 45, 25,59,000 Indians have got a shot. 55 crore Indians are due to get a shot. So right now, less than 1% have got just one dose of the vaccine. In an ideal world, adequate vaccine supply, increasing the number of sessions, 24/7 immunization, community-based vaccination camps, increased participation of private hospitals, and involvement of NGOs would help. But this is not an ideal world. Far from it. Well, the trick is to keep trying, to be persistent. If you're persistent, perhaps you might just get lucky. Well, I don't really seem to be getting lucky because the slots are all booked, is what I hear. But if I do get a slot, then I'm not going to choose which vaccine to take. I'm also not going to really pick and choose on the location. If I do get a slot, that is. And if I do, then I'll consider myself privileged. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.
So the